In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to a group chat. Group chats are an amazing way to communicate with multiple people at once, whether you're coordinating a project at work, planning a family gathering, or just chatting with friends. Being able to quickly add members makes communication smooth and effortless. First, start by signing into your account. Depending on the platform or service you're using, this usually involves entering your username and password. Make sure you have your login information ready before you begin, as this will save you time and prevent interruptions. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, keep your phone or secondary verification method nearby so you can quickly verify your login. Once you're logged in, locate the chat or messaging app where you want to add users. The interface might look slightly different depending on the platform, but generally you'll see an icon to add people, often represented by a small person with a plus sign or just a simple plus sign. Click on this icon to begin. This will open a menu or window where you can choose to add people. Look for an option labeled Add People or something similar. This is where you'll bring your contacts into the chat. Next, type in the email address or username of the person you want to add. Make sure it's correct. A single typo could mean the invitation doesn't reach them. If the person is already in your contacts, their name may auto-populate as you type, making the process faster. After entering the correct information, double-check for typos, then click the Add button to finalize the process. The person you've added will receive an invitation to join the group chat. Depending on the platform, they might need to accept the invitation before they can participate. It's also worth noting that some platforms allow you to control the permissions or access level of new members. For example, you might choose whether they can add more people, delete messages, or see the chat history. Reviewing these settings can help you maintain the right level of control for your group. And that's it. You've successfully added a user to your group chat. With these steps, adding new members becomes fast, easy, and error-free. Group chats are a fantastic way to stay organized and connected, so make the most of them. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Drop any questions or comments below, and happy chatting.